Indirapuram, a bustling suburb in Ghaziabad, is home to a wide array of businesses, catering to various needs of the residents. Among these businesses are survey instrument accessory dealers who provide essential tools and equipment for surveying purposes. These dealers play a crucial role in supporting the construction and engineering industries by supplying high-quality accessories that enhance the accuracy and efficiency of surveying work. When it comes to survey instruments, having the right accessories is essential for ensuring accurate measurements and precise data collection. This is where survey instrument accessory dealers in Indirapuram come into the picture. These dealers offer a wide range of accessories such as tripods, prisms, reflectors, leveling rods, and andDGPSantennas. They understand the specific requirements of surveyors and provide them with the necessary tools to carry out their work effectively. One prominent survey instrument accessory dealer in Indirapuram is Scon Design. With their extensive experience in the field, they have established themselves as a reliable source for surveying equipment and accessories. Scon Design understands the importance of quality and precision in surveying work and strives to provide their customers with top-notch products that meet industry standards. Scon Design offers a comprehensive range of survey instrument accessories to cater to the diverse needs of their customers. Whether it's a professional surveyor or a construction company, they have the right accessories to suit every requirement. Their team of experts guides customers in selecting the appropriate accessories based on their specific project needs, ensuring optimal performance and accuracy. What sets Scon Design apart from other survey instrument accessory dealers in Indirapuram is their commitment to customer satisfaction. A diverse range of companies serving the requirements of the locals can be found in Indirapuram, a thriving Ghaziabad neighborhood. Dealers of survey instrument accessories are one of these companies. They offer the necessary tools and gear for surveys. These dealers are essential in assisting the engineering and construction sectors by providing high-quality accessories that improve the precision and effectiveness of surveying operations. For accurate measurements and precise data collection when using survey devices, having the proper accessories is crucial. Dealers of survey equipment accessories in Indirapuram can be useful in this situation. Numerous accessories, including tripods, prisms, reflectors, leveling rods, and andDGPSantennas, are available from these dealers. They are aware of the particular needs of surveyors and give them the equipment they need to do their jobs well. Scon Design is a well-known supplier of survey equipment accessories in Indirapuram. Due to their breadth of knowledge, they are recognized as a trustworthy supplier of surveying tools and supplies. Scon Design works hard to give their customers top-notch items that adhere to industry standards since they recognize how important accuracy and quality are in surveying work. In order to